Now deduce an expression for the electric field at a point due to a system of n point charge. So resultant electric field due to n point charge we derive. So first we take here figure. Charge Q1, its position vector from the O is R1. R1 position vector. Charge Q2, its position vector from the O is R2. And here point P, take charge Q0. So first we find electric field due to point Q1 at point P is we take here E1, and electric field at point P due to charge Q2 is we take E2. This is we take position vector R2P, and this take R1P position vector. So resultant of to this field is here we take E1 plus E2. Okay. So first here we take point charge. So here force on test charge Q0 due to Q1 is F1 is equal to K Q1 Q0 upon R1P square into R1P, okay, where R1P cap is a unit vector in the direction from Q1 to P, and R1P is the distance between Q1 and then electric field due to Q1 at P is E1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. Yeah, sorry. We take F1 by Q0. Then we write K Q1 by R1P square into R1P. Yeah. Okay. Now, similarly, electric field due to Q2 at P is E2 is equal to K Q2 by R2P square into R2P here. Now, according to principle of superposition, according to principle of superposition of electric field, then resultant electric field E is equal to E1 plus E2. Then we write K Q1 by R1 P square R1 P cap plus K Q2 by R2 P square into R2 P cap. Okay. Here we take only two charge system, but we take n charge. We take n charge. So the electric field.
थोड़ा लिखना बाकी था सर.
Okay. The electric field at point P due to system of n charges is, so E is equal to, we write E1 plus E2 plus up to plus En. Now we draw here figure. We take here Q1 charge. So this is, we take P point. We take Q2 charge. We take Q3 charge. We take Q4 charge. Up to so on. So electric field due to Q1 at point P in this direction, E1, we take, this is P point, R1P, now R2P, E2, R3P, E3, R4P, this is E4. Okay. So resultant of this vector addition. So we take resultant of E2, E1, E2 in this direction. E3 and E2 in this direction. And E4 and this resultant in this direction. Okay, तो वेक्टर एडिशन का रूल्स लगा के हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं. तो रिजल्टेंट ये दोनों का इसके बीच में आएगा. तो हम रिजल्टेंट फाइंड कर सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू पैरेललोग्राम थ्योरम. So now here we write E1 is equal to K Q1 by R1P square into R1P cap plus KQ2 R2P square into R2P cap plus up to plus KQL upon R and P square into R and P cap. Now, here we write in a summation form. So vector E is equal to K common summation I is equal to 1 to n qi upon RIP square into RIP. Okay.
Yes.
Now we write in a position vector in terms of position vector. So vector E is equal to K summation I is equal to 1 to n qi upon mod Ri minus Rp square into Ri minus Rp upon magnitude Ri minus Rp. Or also write here E equal to K summation I is equal to 1 to n qi upon mod vector Ri minus Rp cube square into 1 or into Ri minus Rp. Okay. लिख लिया?
एक मिनट सर। लिख लिया सर।
Now we solve example.
सर क्वेश्चन लिखना है ना?
क्या?
क्वेश्चन लिखना है ना?
हाँ लिखना है. First question. Two point charge of 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb and 1 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb are 1 centimeter apart. So both charge are 1 centimeter apart. This is the Q1 we take, this is the Q. What is the magnitude of field produced by either charge at the side of the other? So फर्स्ट Q1 चार्ज यहाँ पर कितना फील्ड प्रोड्यूस करेगा और Q2 चार्ज यहाँ पर कितना फील्ड प्रोड्यूस करेगा. तो हियर वी टेक R is equal to 1 centimeter. 0.01 meter means 10 raised to minus 2 meter. The electric field due to Q1 at side of Q2. तो Q2 पर Q1 से कितना फील्ड प्रोड्यूस होगा यहाँ पर. तो हियर वी राइट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फॉर्मूला E1 is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 by R square. Here R square. So 1/4 pi epsilon is K. So 9 into 10 is to 9 into Q1 is equal to 2 into 10 is to minus 7 divided by 0.1 square. Means 10 is to minus, right here, wrong, 0. 10 is to minus 2 square. So right here, 9 into 2, 18, 10 is to 9 minus 7 plus 4, no, plus 2, minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 into 2 minus 4. We take in a numerator then 18 into 10 raised to 9 minus 7 plus 4. So 9 minus 7 to 4 means 18 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per Coulomb means 1.8 into 10 raised to 7 Newton per Coulomb. Okay. Now, electric field due to Q2 at site A1. So E2 is equal to K means 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1. So here we take Q2 by R2 square. So K is equal to 9 into 10 raised to 9, Q2 equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 7. And here R square means 10 raised to minus 2 square. So also 9 into 1 means 9, 10 raised to 9 minus 7, 2 plus 4, 6. So 9 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per Coulomb. Okay. लिख लिया?
हाँ सर.
Okay. Next, 2-point charges of plus 5 into 10 raised to minus 19 Coulomb and plus 2 into 10 raised to minus 20 into 10 raised to minus 19 Coulomb are separated by a distance 2 meter. Here we take Q1 charge and here we take at point B is Q2 charge. Distance between them is here we take 2 meter. This is the distance. Find the point on the line joining them at which electric field intensity is 0. Both charges are similar, like charge. Then always resultant of net electric field 0 at point is between two charges. So here we take P point inside the between these 2 point charge. So we take the null point means के point P at a distance x from the Q1 and total distance 2. So means 2 minus x distance from the B. So now electric field due to Q1 in this direction E1 and electric field due to Q2 in this direction. Both charge are positive, then electric field is outward direction. So both values same, but opposite direction. So the electric field at point P will be 0 if E1 is equal to E2. E1 equal to K Q1 by X square. So K 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 means 5 into 10 raised to minus 19. Distance here we take X to X square is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. Q2 is 20 into 10 raised to minus 19 and distance is 2 minus X square. So both sides 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 cancel. Now 10 raised to minus 19 cancel here. 5 also cancel. Here 5 into 4, the we take 4. So 4 into x square, तो 4x square, 2x square left side जाएगा, तो 2x, 2 minus x square. So now take square root both sides. So 2x is equal to plus or minus 2 minus x. So means 2x is equal to plus 2 minus x or 2x is equal to minus 2 plus x. So here we write here 2x plus x is equal to 2, then x is equal to 2 by 3 meter. 2x plus x, 3x, then x is equal to 2 by 3 meter. Here 2x minus x is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 meter. Means plus 2 by 3 meter. The null point between them. And x equal to minus 2 meter. So null point is left side to Q1. यहाँ पर आएगा null. Minus 2 meter. Okay. So means here we write
Yes, sir.
x equal to minus 2 meter is that at the 2 meter left of Q1. Electric field due to both charges will be in the same direction. So x is equal to -2 meter is not possible solution. Okay, तो आउटवर्ड डायरेक्शन है तो -2 मीटर यहाँ पर लेते हैं तो प्लस Q1 की वजह से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इन दिस डायरेक्शन में मिलेगा और +20 की वजह से भी इन दिस डायरेक्शन में मिलेगा तो दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके, तो ओनली वी टेक
Yes, sir.
2/3 meter. So hence electric field will be 0 at 2/3 meter to the right of Q1. Okay,
Hmm.
लिख लिया.
हाँ सर लिख लिया.
Okay. Next. 2-point charge or +16 microcoulomb and -9 microcoulomb are placed 8 centimeter apart in air. +16 -19, so 8 centimeter distance between them. Determine the position of the point at which the resultant field is 0. So 1 plus is second minus. The null point is not between the, we take 2 यहाँ पर लेफ्ट साइड और राइट साइड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज 0 तो यहाँ पर भी आएगा एट अ डिस्टेंस x. तो यहां से कितना होगा 8 + x. तो वी टेक ऑलवेज नल पॉइंट outside these two charge, this point. और कहा लेना है जो स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू ऑफ चार्ज होगा वहां. तो 9 इज
Okay.
स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू तो हम यहाँ पर नल पॉइंट लेंगे. आगे हमने लाइक चार्ज लिया था तो नल पॉइंट ऑलवेज वी टेक between these two charge and here we take unlike charge, then null point is always outside two charge near the smallest value of the charge. Clear?
Hmm.
Okay, so now we take here, ये हम नहीं लेते, ये नहीं लेते, हम अपनों लेते. यहाँ मैंने जो लिया है वही लेंगे. तो E1 is equal to E2. We take E1, so Q1 means 16 by this distance is 8 plus x, 8 plus x square is equal to E2. We take a magnitude, so k into 9 by x square. K cancel. Then here we write 16x square is equal to 9, 8 plus x square. Take square root both sides. So plus or minus 4x, 9 means 3, 8 plus x. Now we calculate 4x is equal to 3 into 8 plus x or minus 4x is equal to 3 into 8 plus x. So now we write here 4x is equal to 24 plus 3x. Then x is equal to, here we write 24 centimeter. Okay. Now here minus 4x is equal to 24 plus 3x. Then we write here minus 7x is equal to 24. Then x is equal to minus 24 by 7 centimeter. तो हमें ये मिलता है x is equal to 24 centimeter यहाँ से. और between this side minus 24 by 7 centimeter from the Q2 charge. ओके,
यस सर।
लिख लिया?
नहीं सर।
ના હું સેટ કરું બધી બીજા પેજમાં લઈને હું સેટ કરું બધી અલગ અલગ અને લેન્ડસ્કેપ બની
सर इसमें से दोनों आंसर आ सकते हैं या ऐसा?
ना, या इसमें दोनों आंसर आएंगे, बिटवीन भी आएगा और आउटसाइड भी आएगा नल पॉइंट।
ओके सर।
देखते हैं यहाँ पर दोनों आगे का सम जो लिया था उस, तो बिटवीन हम लेते हैं फर्स्ट, बिटवीन
हाँ सर। हाँ।
पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, सपोज पॉजिटिव है तो उसका इन दिस डायरेक्शन, नेगेटिव चार्ज है तो इन दिस डायरेक्शन, तो बोथ सेम, देन नल पॉइंट इज नॉट पॉसिबल बिटवीन देम, तो हम माइनस नहीं लेंगे, ओनली यही लेंगे। क्लियर? ओके, तो दोनों में एक ही लेना है। लाइक चार्ज होगा तो नल पॉइंट बिटवीन टू चार्ज, एंड अनलाइक चार्ज होगा तो null point is always outside two charge but near to the smallest charge. Okay, clear?
यस सर।
Next, two point charge q1 equal to plus 0.2 coulomb and q2 equal to plus 0.4 coulomb are placed 1 meter apart. Here we take q1 equal to plus 2 coulomb and q2 is equal to plus 4 coulomb. Distance between them is 0.1 meter. Calculate the electric field at first A, the midpoint between them. Midpoint यहाँ पर find करना है, तो this charge is positive, electric field due to point q1 charge is even in this direction, and this charge is also positive, then electric field due to in this direction. तो resultant electric field at O, तो इसकी मैग्नीट्यूड ज्यादा है और इसकी मैग्नीट्यूड कम है, तो रिजल्टेंट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड E is equal to E2 minus E1. E2 is E2 greater than E1, magnitude of E2 greater than E1 because Q2 greater than Q1, because R2 is equal to R1. तो डिस्टेंस सेम है, R/2 है, here R is given 0.1 meter, R given 0.1 meter. Okay, then R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R/2, तो 0.1/2 लिख सकते हैं। तो E2 की वैल्यू ज्यादा है E1 से, तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड along the B2A direction. Now we write K Q2 by R/2 square minus K Q1 by R/2 square. K common, 9 into 10 is to 9 common. R/2 square common, तो 2 square 4, न्यूमेरेटर में जाएगा तो 4 by R square. R is equal to 0.1 square. Q2 given 0.4, Q1 given 0.2. Then here we write 9 into 4, 36 into 10 is to 9, 0.1 square, 10 is to minus 2, plus 2. Here we write into 0.2, 0.4 minus 0.2, 0.2. So 36 into 0.2, that means 7.2 into 10 is to 11 Newton per coulomb. Okay, in the direction of B2A. Now B part, a point on the line joining Q1 and Q2 such that it is 0.05 meter away from Q2 and 0.15 meter away from Q1. तो Q2 से 0.05 मीटर, तो here यहाँ से 0.05 मीटर पॉइंट P और यहाँ से होगा 0.15 मीटर होगा this distance. Both positive, they are E1 in this direction and E2 also in this direction. So resultant electric field we write in this point. So E is equal to K Q1 by distance given 0.15 meters square plus K Q2 by distance is 0.05 meters square along the A to B की direction में आएगा. So now K is equal to 9 into 10 is to 9. दोनों में से 10 is to minus 4 common denominator में 10 is to minus 4 common. Q1 is equal to 0.2 divided by 15 square means 225 plus Q2 means 0.4 divided by 5 square 25. Now calculate and take answer. So answer is here given. Last answer आएगा 1.5 2 into 10 is to 12 Newton per coulomb. Direction is A2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
ओके टाइम खत्म होने वाला है. मॉर्निंग में फिर से ज्वाइन हो गया आज. ओके इसके सब खत्म करने आज.
मॉर्निंग कल मॉर्निंग सर.
हाँ कल मॉर्निंग में.
सर कल दोपहर को हो सकता है सर.
कल दोपहर को कितने बजे? मॉर्निंग में कहा जाए?
नहीं